very good morning, class. So today's video is just extension of that last previous video about the resonance. Okay, so in that video we have done some three tricks I have told you about that: stability of resonating compound and how the resonance occurs. Okay, so hope that is clear. So now we are going to proceed for a few more examples, and as I told you that there are the few tricks, so the rest of trick I will discuss today only. Okay, so in order of that, let's start with this. The first example I have written over here. So we are supposed to show that shifting. Okay, so let's start with this. Now think of it that it is electron deficient compound. Here it is electron deficiency. That means this is not going to move anywhere. So which will move? Where is the electron density? High. That means lone pair of electron. So one second, one more thing was there. Like this was the structure. Okay, so if this moves over here, that means what will happen? This carbon will have the 5 bond. So at that same time, to make the stability, this bond will shift over here, isn't it? So what it will result? It will result in formation of this, and the Cl has lost its electron, so it will have plus charge over here. This has shifted over here, that means double bond will form, and this bond has shifted over here, that means double bond will be here. So now, due to the shifting of this double bond over here, the deficiency of this carbon has gone. Yes, so there is no deficiency at all. So this is the resonance. Now no more resonance is possible for this. Again, if you shift that, the same structure you will get it. Yes, so suppose that this is the structure 1 and this is the structure 2. So if it is a structure 1 and a structure 2, and I will ask that out of this structure 1 and structure 2, which one is more stable? So in that case, what you will say? Yes, tell me. So if you will think of that concept that more electronegative element should have the more negative more negative charge, and that is the stable condition, तो यहाँ पे वो गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Let's see that the trick. Let me write the trick over here. This is called trick number 4. In this case, it is said that structure having more number of pi bonds and completed octet is always more stable, is always comparatively more stable. So now you can easily say that which one is more stable. Yes, of course, structure 2 is more stable. Okay, so that's why we can say that structure 2 is more stable than structure 1. What is the reason over here? First of all, more double bond. You can see that more double bond, 2 double bond are there. Here only 1 double bond, and the electron octet complete. So here it is sp2 having a sextate. It is sextate, isn't it? So here it is not octet, but if you will see this, in this case all are octet. Yes, so that means this one is more stable. Hope it is clear. Any doubt in this? Okay, now let's do the next structure. If I'm doing the next structure, in that case I'm giving you okay, that is not the resonance wala, wo question nahi hoga. This is the, let me show the trick only. Suppose that I'm giving you in this compound CH3 CH2 this will be like this. Let me draw this compound. Okay, this one is the compound, and another compound set is like suppose that this is the structure I am giving you, and I will ask that which one is more stable out of these two structure 1 and 2. Okay, so what will be your answer? This is nothing here. So what will be the answer? Yes, tell me. Structure 1 or structure 2, which one will be more stable? Can you tell me, Bichi? This is a structure 1 and this is a structure 2. So here the trick number 4 will work, and this says that trick number 5. This says that the structure having more conjugation, structure having more conjugation will be more stable. Okay, so now very easily you can see here only one conjugation is there, like this one will shift over here, so this will shift over here, isn't it? That is the conjugation possible. But in this case, this can shift over here, this can shift over here, this can shift over here. So how many conjugation? 3 conjugation. Here only 2 conjugation. So that's why we'll say again that structure 2 is more stable than structure 1. Clear? And it out. If I will show you, if I will tell you to show the resonance for this, how you will show the resonance? Yes, resonance. अगर मैंने आपको दिखाने के लिए बोला तो how you will show? So let's do this. If I am shifting this bond over here, so this carbon will have the 5 bond, so automatically this bond will shift over here, isn't it? So due to this, what will happen? The structure will form like this. That CH3, nothing changed with this. CH, nothing changed with this. Here CH has lost its double bond, so this will have positive charge over here. Then this is CH, then here it will be double bond CH, here it will be again CH, single bond CH2, and this shifted over here, so that is going to like that will not shift because hydrogen is here, like you know, CH3, it cannot be, so it will shift till here only. This will shift over here. So what I will say, CH2 minus, and this will remain like this. Clear? So this is the resonance for this structure. Is structure. If I will say to show the resonance for this structure, again the same we can say. Here it is plus, and here it will go till this point. It will go minus, isn't it? Clear, bachche? Any doubt in this? Okay. Now the next structure and next trick. Suppose that 2 examples are there. Here the example is given CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, then CH double bond CH2. And this one is saying that CH2 double bond CH. Okay. This is the structure 1 and structure 2. If I will show, the resonance is possible in both the cases, isn't it? This can shift over here, this can shift over here, this can shift over here. So resonance is possible. Here also, this can shift over here, so this will shift over here. Or this can shift over here, so this will shift over here, so this will shift over here. Yes, resonance is possible in both the cases. But now the question is that which one is out of this structure 1 and structure 2, which one is more stable? And that will be explained by our trick number 6, and that says that out of linear and cross conjugation. Conjugation means one single and one double bond, alternate single and double bond. That is called conjugation. Okay, cross conjugation. The linear is more stable than cross. Got it? Any doubt in this? So which one will be more stable? Ye rule hai, this is the rule, you can learn it, because in the branching if it goes na, so here stability decreases. Okay, so if suppose that branching mein hum karte hain, this goes to over here, so it will this will plus charge over here, so this will not further go in conjugation. Ye conjugation mein nahi jayega, so it will stop over there. So that's why it is said that out of linear and cross conjugation, linear is always stable than the cross conjugation. This will not go, but ye resonance mein jayega. Got it? So this is the structure 1 is more stable than the structure 2. These are the facts that you have to learn. Okay, one more trick is there. As for example, I have given you like this, and another is given like this. Okay, here also 3 pi bond, here also 3 pi bond, here also conjugation double, single, double, single, double. Yes, here also double, single, double, single, double. Yes, conjugation is there. Here also the resonance is possible. This will shift over here, then this will shift over here, then this will shift over here. Like shifting is there. If I will tell you to show that resonance, how you will show? Let me show. This bond will shift over here, so this will result in this, like ye banega. Here bond, here plus charge, and here it will have minus. I have not touched anything with this. I have not touched this, so let it be like this. Next will be this negative charge will shift over here, due to which this carbon will have 5 bond. So this bond will shift over this carbon. So this will result in, इसको कुछ नहीं किया, as it is रह जाएगा. Here now minus charge will be there, and here it will come double bond due to this shifting. Yes, I hope it is clear. Yes, this one shift will here. This will shift over here. So this was, it will make the double bond over here and plus charge over here. Clear? And it out. In next case, what will happen? Again, this negative charge will shift over here, and this bond will shift over this carbon. So finally, it will result in this minus over here, double bond here, and double bond here, and this is plus charge. So conjugation is there. Here also conjugation is there. We have done yesterday. Yes, isn't it? So now, in this case, what will happen? Structure 1 and structure 2, if I am asking, so which one is more stable? So that will be explained by our trick number 7, and that says that same number of conjugation, if same number of conjugation are there and structure gets aromaticity. Okay, what is this? Let me explain you. Aromaticity. Okay, then that will be more stable. चलिए अब मैं समझाऊँ आपको aromaticity क्या है. What is this aromaticity? Just for now, you have to learn that aromaticity मतलब the benzene ring. We will describe, I will describe all this thing, aromatic compound, what it is, in the GOC, explanation properly. Other compounds are also aromatic, but here for this, right now you just learn the aromaticity, that means the benzene ring. It will work for you. In chemical bonding, it will work, okay? So aromaticity, that means you have to, what you have to keep in your mind? With the benzene ring, that this is called benzene ring. Hexagon structure and double single bond should be in the alternative way. Okay? But aromaticity doesn't only mean this benzene ring. It has a vast area. We will explain. I will explain, and we will get the things already in the GOC. That means general principle of organic chemistry. Okay? So there we will do. ठीक है बच्चे? So फिलहाल के लिए इतना याद रखें. तो which one is? This one is getting the aromaticity. So that means structure 2 will be more stable than the structure 1. Clear है बच्चे? Any problem in this? So this is the trick about the resonating structure. Now you can easily find, if suppose the 2 or 3 structure I am giving, and I will ask that which one is more stable, or arrange the following in order of increasing or decreasing stability, you can do very quickly, isn't it? Okay, so let's do some more conjugation, some more resonance, and actually that is the part of organic chemistry, okay, GOC. But that resonance I'm going to explain here only, so that in the GOC you will not face any problem, and it will be very clear to you. Okay, got it? So let's start with this. For the another thing, अगर हम यहाँ पे करते हैं, we will write the heading as a resonance in, is it visible? If I will write in this way. Just wait. Resonance in benzene compound. Okay. अभी benzene compound actually क्या है? Benzene compound, that means it will be like this. This is the benzene, okay, ring, and if its one H is removed by any group, suppose that Z group से replace कर दिया जाए, got it? This one H is going to be removed by a Z element, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So this will give you the structure like the H of this. You know, 6 hydrogen are hidden over here. One hydrogen will be replaced by Z. नाउ इस Z को हमने दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. Z is can be of two type. Yes, one is called electron donating group and the other is called electron withdrawing group. Don't be panic, just आराम से समझोगे समझ में आएगा. It's not like कोई बहुत बड़ा ये नहीं है, बहुत आसानी से समझ में आएगा. ठीक है, so try to understand. The Z can be of two type. What I said, electron donating group जो इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा and electron withdrawing group जो इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा. Got it? How to learn कि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा या लेगा. Okay? So इसके लिए मैं ट्रिक दे रही हूँ. If the center atom का मतलब the one which is attached with benzene ring, yes, is sp3 hybridized. Clear बच्चे? I'm making you so easy for learning. Okay, the center atom, that means the one with which it is attached with the benzene ring, is sp3 hybridized. It will be electron donating group. समझ में आई बात? And sp3 hybridization, we know that either it should have 4 single bond or it should have single bond and lone pair electron combination should be 4. Clear? Example we will do at last afterward. If the center atom, I'm not explaining again the center atom over here, center atom now clear, is sp or sp2 hybridized. Any doubt? Clear? These are the two types of Z. Okay, if this is electron withdrawing group, donating group, sorry, what it will do, it will the electrons will shift towards benzene ring. This is the another trick, towards benzene ring. Okay, similarly in this case opposite हो जाएगा, the electron will shift away from the benzene ring, or you can say that towards the group benzene ring or towards the group. ठीक है, let's do some example for this and example for this. I said that what, that should be sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized का मतलब जिससे भी whatever the element it is going to attach with the benzene ring, that shouldn't be double bonded or triple bonded. Okay, it should have the single bond, 4 single bond, or the combination of single bond and lone pair should be 4. Clear? Very clear? Okay, so let's do with an example. Like this is the bond I'm showing, that means with which it is going to attach with the benzene ring. Clear? Like CH3, the carbon is having one bond which is attached with the benzene ring and another 3 bond, that means 4. Hybridization is 4 sp3, isn't it? Any doubt? This CH3 की जगह पे हम इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं R, that means any alkyl group. कोई भी alkyl group if we'll take, it will be like this only. ठीक है, we'll do some examples, उसके भी कर लेंगे. दूसरा example, let me take you OH. If I'm writing OH, so check whether this oxygen is sp3 hybridized or not. Yes, oxygen has one bond with this OH and 2 bond, 2 lone pair. sp3 hybridized, yes or no? Clear? Very clear? Okay, another example, NH2. Tell me whether it is sp3 or what? 1 bond and 2 bond with this hydrogen 3 and 1 lone pair 4. Clear? Any problem? Like Cl, check Cl is having 4, sp3 hybridized or not? 1 bond, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Okay, and it will be here I can write X for this. X means fluorine हो सकता है, bromine हो सकता है, iodine हो सकता है, and this is little exceptional case. So let me put the arrowhead here. In books you will get that Cl is in withdrawing group, and that is correct, perfectly correct. There is no point to argue with this. Yes, chlorine is withdrawing group because it is more electronegative. It will withdraw the electron towards itself. But जब भी ये benzene ring के ऊपर होता है ना, when it is on the benzene ring, it works like this. ये इनकी तरह काम करता है, ये वाला part. The electrons will shift towards the benzene ring. So that's why I'm keeping in this and putting the exceptional thing. And about this thing we will discuss in the GOC. Don't worry about that. Okay. चलिए next example for this. अगर हम और भी बहुत सारे example you can take. Yes, like OCH3 I'm taking. Is it clear? Just 1 second. This is OCH3. That means 1 bond here, second bond is with the carbon, and 2 bonds and 2 lone pair. So sp3. Yes or no? Chalo, let's do some example of withdrawing group. Okay, what I said, the atom with which it is going to attach, that shouldn't be that will be either double bond or triple bond. Tabhi hoga sp2 asp hybridized, isn't it? So let's do with the first example. Isn't it? Yes or no? Another example. Yes. Another example. Yes. Any problem in this? समझ में आ रही बात? Another example. Yes or no? So all these things, if it is attached with the benzene ring, that means what will happen? The electron will shift towards this group, away from the benzene ring and towards this group. ठीक है? Let's do some practice. ये समझ में आ गया? This thing you have to keep in your mind. This is the trick. एक तरह से trick है which is going to solve your problem 98%. 98% तक ये problem solve करेगा. 1 or 2 problem होगी, so that we will take care. Okay? चलिए let's do some practice for this. If I am giving you the example like just wait. First example start with टॉलीन जिसको हम बोलते हैं टॉलीन. ओके, नाउ आप पूछोगे टॉलीन क्या है. सो टॉलीन इज द बेंजीन रिंग हैविंग CH3. इट इज द बेंजीन रिंग हैविंग CH3. कोई इश्यू? यस, समझ में आ गया. दिस इज टॉलीन. सो लेट्स सी. अब यहाँ पे देखो, इसमें लोन पेयर है नहीं. देयर इज नो कार्बन, देयर इज नो लोन पेयर ऑन द कार्बन. दैट मीन्स ये बॉन्ड से शिफ्ट होगी सीधे. सो बॉन्ड इज गोइंग टू शिफ्ट एंड इट शुड मूव टुवर्ड्स द बेंजीन रिंग, इजंट इट? और इन अदर वे यू कैन से दैट अवे फ्रॉम द ग्रुप. यस, सो द बॉन्ड इज गोइंग टू शिफ्ट इन दिस डायरेक्शन, अवे फ्रॉम द ग्रुप. यस और नो? इट इज अवे फ्रॉम द ग्रुप. क्लियर? सो नाउ अब एक आप शिफ्टिंग दिखाएंगे एंड यू विल शो द रिजल्ट कि क्या रिजल्ट बना. सो दिस रिजल्ट इज लाइक दिस. अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Have not touched this bond, so let it be like this. Have not touched with this bond, let it be like this. This CH3 not touched, so let it be like this. What happened? We have done? This bond I have shifted over here. So due to this carbon will have what? Negative charge, and here it will be positive charge. Clear है बच्चे? Any doubt? Okay. In the previous example only, in the previous video only, I have explained that if there is a double bond or the negative charge or the lone pair, then the negative charge will first move and then lone pair will move, and at last the double bond will move. So here it is double bond and negative charge, so which will move? Obviously the double bond. So where it will go? It should move towards the benzene ring. So that means now this will move over this bond. Be very careful. I'm shifting. This bond has broken on the carbon, on the tip. Here this negative charge is going to form the bond between carbon and carbon. So I'm putting this arrow on the bond. Yes. Now the next thing. This carbon will जैसे ये shift होगा, this carbon will have the 5 bonds, which is highly unstable. So to make it stable, this bond will sacrifice and it will shift to this carbon. Yes or no? So now put the result. What will be the result again? जिसे टच नहीं किया पहले उसे बना दो, बिल्कुल. सो ये आई हैव नॉट टच्ड दिस पॉजिटिव चार्ज को भी हमने कुछ नहीं किया, तो लेट इट बी लाइक दिस. यस. नाउ this negative has shifted to this bond to make the double bond over here, so let it be bond. Yes, double bond. And this bond has shifted to this carbon, so that means it will rise the negative charge over this. Any problem? Yes, tell me, any problem? Very good. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. next what will happen? The same thing will repeat as it has here. It is same thing. So now this negative charge will shift to this bond. Due to this carbon will have the 5 bonds, and hence to make it stable this bond will shift on this carbon, isn't it? Yes. So this will result in like this. जो नहीं टच किया उसको as it is पहले बनाओ. I have not touched with this, so let it be. Not touched with this, let it be. Not touched, so let it be. Done. Now what happened? This negative has shifted over here, so due to which it will form the double bond over here, isn't it? And this bond has shifted over here, so due to this it will create the negative charge over here. Now what next? This negative will shift over here, will fulfill its deficiency. Khatam kaam. So next structure will be what? Like this. I have not touched this, not touched this. Here it is nothing we have done, and this negative has shifted over here, so it will make the bond over here, and like this deficiency is over. So this is called the canonical structure. ये पूरा जो हो गया, this is the 5 canonical structure, or you can say that canonical structure, or you can say that the resonating structure. Resonating structure. Yes. And what will be the resonance hybrid? If I will tell you to make the resonance hybrid, let me draw this triple bond, and this is the CH3 will remain like this, and this double bond is earlier देखो यहाँ double bond था, अब यहाँ double bond है. So that's why I have the double bond is shifting. Yes, you can see here it is in between this, and here it is there. So that's why the resonating structure, I will show the dotted line and the arrow how it is moving. It is moving in the clockwise direction. So that's why I have shown the arrow like this. Got it? It is clear? Okay. So now let's take another example. One more example I'm going to take, and that is for, suppose that I'm taking phenol. Okay, this is phenol. So phenol is what this now? Phenol is benzene ring having OH group on this. Got it? OH group. And we know that it will have the lone pair over here. Clear? This is called phenol. So now shifting of bond. Up here it is lone pair and the double bond both are there. So which will move first? Lone pair, because of more highly electron dense. Yes. So this bond will shift over. This lone pair will shift over the bond. So due to which this carbon will have what? 5 bonds. So immediately this bond will shift on the carbon, isn't it? So let me draw the result. Result will be, जिसे टच नहीं किया exactly उसे नोट डाउन पहले कर लो. So let it be like this. Yes, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Now what happened? This OH को हमने कुछ किया तो नहीं, but that lone pair has shifted from this to double bond. So here it will form a double bond, and since oxygen has lost its electrons, so it will have positive charge over there. Any problem? Now this bond has shifted on this direction, so here it will have negative charge. This will be the negative charge. Any problem? Clear hai? Now again negative charge is there and the bond is there. Which will move first? Negative charge. Where? Towards the benzene ring. So that's why it will move here. Yes, let me show. This will move over here, and due to which this carbon will have again 5, so this bond will shift to next carbon, isn't it? So draw the result. Result will be like this. Not touch this, so let it be like this. Not touched with this, so let it be like this. Now this is going to shift over here, so it is going to make the double bond over here, isn't it? So that's why double bond, and this bond will shift to this carbon, so this will result in negative charge over here. And I have not done with anything with this, so it will let it be positive charge over here. What next? Again the negative charge and the bond. So negative charge will shift. Where it will go? This will shift to this bond, due to which this carbon will have 5. So this will shift to this carbon. Clear hai bachche? Okay. So draw the result. This will give you the result like nothing happened with this. and here this has shifted over here, so it will have double bond over here. This bond has shifted over here, so this will result in negative charge over here, and nothing done with this, so let it be like this. Yes, no issue. What next? This negative will move here, due to which this carbon will have again the 5 bond, so immediately this bond will shift over here to make the lone pair over here, and the result will be like this, same as it is. Note down kar lo. This bond, this negative charge has shifted over here, so we'll make the double bond over here, and then this bond has broken on this, so it will result in OH with its 2 lone pair, which was earlier it was 2 lone pair, so it with its 2 lone pair. Yes, any problem in this? Koi dikkat? So now these are the canonical structure or resonating structure. If I will ask to draw the resonance hybrid, what you will draw? This will be the resonance hybrid. Yes, let it be like this, iske lone pair ke saath. And what happened? The bond has shifted only, na? Idhar se idhar aa gaya. So draw this, and this time arrow should be on this. See, I have done with the anti-clockwise direction, so like this. जिधर डबल बॉन्ड होगा, अगर डबल बॉन्ड को मैंने यहाँ बनाया होता तो ऑब्वियसली द बॉन्ड वाज शिफ्टिंग लाइक क्लॉकवाइज. बॉन्ड को यहाँ बना दिया, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट विल बी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. इजंट इट? गॉट इट? एनी प्रॉब्लम? सो ये हमने किया किसका? इलेक्ट्रॉन विदड्रॉइंग ग्रुप का एग्जाम्पल. दोनों एग्जाम्पल इलेक्ट्रॉन विदड्रॉइंग का हुआ. जस्ट लेट्स डू 1 or 2 एग्जाम्पल फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप का वी हैव डन. यस, सॉरी. So now let's do with the electron withdrawing group. 2 examples with the electron withdrawing group. Okay. So first example is I am making that this is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Now you will ask me, what is this benzaldehyde? So benzaldehyde structure is benzene and having CHO group. C double bond O and this H group. Any doubt in this? This is called benzaldehyde that you have to learn. Okay. So now what will shift? The double bond दोनों जगह पे double bond ही है. So you decide that which double bond will shift. This is in between CC bond and here it is in C and O. So which is more polar? This bond. So that means this bond is going to break first. अभी break किसकी तरफ होगा? Which one is more electronegative? उसकी तरफ ये bond break होगा. So out of carbon and oxygen, which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So that's why this bond has shifted over here. And it out. Draw the result. Nothing done with this. बिल्कुल calm, have patience and try to understand the things. It's not a rocket science. Okay, you will do it very easily. So not touch this, not touch this, not touch this. Let it be. What next? What we have done? I have shifted this bond to this. So due to this, the oxygen will have the minus charge over here, and the carbon has lost its octet, so it will have positive charge over here. Sorry, this is minus. Yes, any problem in this? Now what will happen? In that case, due to the electron density, due to the high electron density, the negative charge were moving. Isn't it? Can you see? Negative charge were moving. In this case, the bond will move to complete this deficiency. इसकी deficiency को complete करने के लिए the bond will move. Yes. So now this bond will move on this bond to complete the octet. It will. It is a very good friend of this. So it says that don't worry, I am there. I will complete your octet. Okay. So that's why the bond will shift over here. What next result? Draw the result for this. This is like this. Again, whatever not touched, draw like this. Bond. C not touched. Bond. And this. What happened? This minus charge को मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. So let it be. And this has shifted over here, due to which the double bond will form over here. And double bond, इसकी तो deficiency complete हो गई, but still now this carbon is deficient. Yes, got it? This carbon is deficient. So what will happen? This bond will now shift to this bond to fulfill its deficiency. So you can see this is going towards the group, isn't it? Towards the group. Towards the group. Yes? Clear? Okay. So draw the result again. In this case, the bond will move to complete the deficiency of the carbon. That's it. Okay. And in that previous case, where the electron donating group were there, the negative charge due to the high electron density, that will move. Clear, bache? Repeat it. and practice it. Stop the video and practice. First practice and then go for this next type. Got it? Okay. So now what will happen? This is not done with this. So let it be like this. Yes. Now I have not touched this. So make it like this only. It was like this. यहाँ पे minus charge. Now what will happen? This bond has shifted over this. So a double bond will form over here. But at the same time, it will create the deficiency over here. Isn't it? So put the positive charge over here. What next? Now ये क्यों पीछे रहेगा? That will say I will also come to complete your deficiency. Don't worry. So this will also move here. So what will happen? This will result in nothing done with this. Nothing done with this. So let it be like this. Yes. And here it is minus charge. अब क्या हो गया? This bond has shifted in this direction. So that's why the double bond will form here. But at the same time, it will create the deficiency at this carbon. Isn't it? So what next? कहेगा भाई चलो वापस मैं जाता हूँ. तो this bond जो यहाँ पे bond form हुआ था वापस ये यहाँ आ जाएगा. This negative charge will come on this double here to make the double bond over here. And as final, the result will be like this. So make it like this जैसा जिसने बना था. So we will do, and here it is double bond. It will come over here. So this will form double bond over here. This is carbon and H, and this minus charge over shifted here. So that will, okay, got it. So we got the back. The benzaldehyde started, and the benzaldehyde we got. This is the same. So now you will say that then what's the need to draw this resonance? So resonance I have told जितनी बार ये electron shift हो रहा है, the time, whatever the time it is shifting, the electron is shifting, it is forming the new bond over there, and due to which it will release its energy. And अगर energy को release करेगा तो क्या होगा? Stability होगी. तो जितने ज़्यादा resonating structure बनेंगे उतने ज़्यादा वो structure stable होगा. Got it? So more resonating structure, more energy loss, and hence more stability. Clear है बच्चे? This is the key point for resonating structure. Any doubt? Now can you do for the next? I'm giving you as a homework. You have to do for this. Nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Now what will be the structure? It is quite clear. Benzene, and draw the nitro group over there. So this is nitro group. You have to first decide that which bond will move and in which direction it will move. Then only you will be able to draw the resonating structure. So this is your homework. Okay, dear. This is little tricky topic, but once you will get the things, just watch the video once or twice. Invest the time. It is not wastage of your time. It will be the investment. If you will invest your time in this video to learn this resonance, this is going to be very helpful in GOC. Got it? And GOC you will quickly get this. Got it, dear? Hope all this is clear. So whatever the things are there, explain the important points I have told. Just make the short notes for that and practice it once again and enjoy your study. So we'll meet you with another video in the next class. Till then, thank you.